Trucks by Mallory Leohr and Henry McNaught. So many trucks. What kinds do you see? One holds oil, one holds mail. A van delivers things for sale. The fire engine zooms on by. A cherry picker boosts workers high. The busy backhoe lifts and loads, digging holes beneath the roads. A garbage truck makes lots of noise. A school bus carries girls and boys. Here's a truck that cuts down trees. Not too many, if you please. A plow pulling tractor's just the thing to till the fields every spring. High in the cab with the knobs and dials, the long-haul trucker counts the miles. When the gauge is low, it's often best to stop for fuel and stop to rest.